Alright, I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to get into kvCORE so that you can go ahead and respond to your leads. So, you're going to want to go to remax.net, enter in your login. It's probably your first and last name at remax.net, and your password is whatever you had set for yourself. It might have been a while since you've logged in, but this is also, I believe, where your office bill is, so maybe not that long. Okay, once we're here in the dashboard, we're going to go to this Platform MaxTech Powered by kvCORE app. And if you can't find it there, look in the Apps and Tools section on the left side, and then look for Platform MaxTech Powered by kvCORE. So you click that, you get into your kvCORE dashboard, right here. This is where you'll be able to see all of the leads that you've received. For example, if we're looking at just the doll team, you can see the leads that have just came into that team, or to any individual agent. You won't be able to go through and see everybody's, but I can because I'm an admin. Okay. So when you are looking at these little lead cards down here, you're going to want to click on it, and you're going to want to take a look at the info here. There's a phone number, there's an email, no name. It's not something that seems like an actual name, so that's okay. We can see what they are looking at and then look that up and see if we can either match that with something that we're renting out, or help them find something similar, and either get a finder's fee if that's a renter and it's not your property, or maybe even convert them into a buyer. So here's what I'm going to do. I copied and pasted that address that it said that this person is looking for. I'm going to look it up, and it looks like, okay, this is a rental, 1595, and it's listed by RWC. So it's not one of ours. That's fine. What we can do is you can either reach out to the agent and direct this person to that agent, or you can ask them, hey, what are you looking for? Because they might not have been sold on this particular property. This is just a showing form. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to contact them through the platform so that it's all tracked and I have a paper trail. I'm going to send them a text. I'm going to say, hi there, I see that you were looking for properties on Remax's site recently. Do you mind sharing what you're looking for? That way I can help direct you to the right properties or people to talk to. Okay? I'm going to send that. I'm going to snooze that. And you can see it sent the text message, and it added this little footer that says, Melanie Kim, Remax Alliance. If you'd rather not communicate by text message, reply with stop or unsubscribe. Since none of us really have any smart campaigns with texts, like sending one-off texts like that right now is totally fine, and I highly recommend it. If they don't have a phone number in the system, send them an email. But whatever you do, don't ignore it, because that makes all of us look bad as a Remax branch. And I think that that is a lead that you could be nurturing. All right? So if you wanted to do something further with them, like let's say, actually, there's one that I did just text like recently. Okay, so I texted them basically the same thing, and then they said, I'm looking for a 3 bedroom home or townhome for rent, something with a big backyard, small or big. I can afford up to 16 to 1700 a month. Thank you. Cool. So, what I'm going to do is try and set up a search alert for them. Now, you can set up like a polygon or choose areas. I don't necessarily feel like I need to do that, besides just like put in some general areas because I haven't asked if they want anything in particular, which might be a good thing to do. Let's say I'm gonna look just in a few different cities.
Morning.
And then we could set them up for alerts ASAP, daily, twice weekly, once weekly, twice a month, or monthly. I'm gonna leave it at once weekly. I think that's good. It already automatically sends back to you, but if you have like another team member or an admin or something, um, or if they have like a spouse that they would like to be looped in, you can CC them. Okay, so I'm gonna look for condos and rentals specifically with a price range between 1500 and 1600. I think she said 3 beds. I'm not sure about baths. Any square footage, any acres you're built. I do know that she wants a backyard, and it actually doesn't have that option on here. Okay. Alright, I think that works out just like that. Alright. Oh, here we go. I'm gonna add a keyword that says backyard. Or not. Hold on. Oh, maybe this is because I haven't set up my own keywords. Never mind. Alright. We are going to go ahead and set the alert like that. These are the recent results. Alright, looks good. Looks like that fulfills her needs. So I'm going to text her. Well, actually, no, I'm not going to text her yet. It's just good to know that this alert does pop up with something, right? So if you wanted to set up an alternate alert for totally different things, that's fine. So what I'm going to do is go back to her contact card and I'm going to send her a text saying, got it. If you'd like, I can send you a text once a week with, or I could send you a text with the most recent listings that fit your criteria. Would you like me to do that? I could send it once a week or as soon as they pop up. Which would you prefer? And if they say no thank you, that's fine. And that's it. That's how we respond to these. I am going to switch this off until she says yes. But now I know that like if I want to send that person this alert, I can easily do that. I've already set this up. Alright, that's the kind of thing that I recommend that you do with all of your leads. As you can see, it was pretty easy. And it is very comprehensive to see all of this stuff with a tracked record right here in the contact card. So now that I've done that, I might want to add some hashtags to label her as somebody looking for a condo. I don't need to add renter necessarily because it's already one of these, but I'm going to do it anyway because hashtags as labels are not a bad thing. She's also looking for a backyard, so I'm going to add that. Cool. Okay. I might even add this as warm lead because then you can see all of the people that you've labeled as warm lead all together. All right, cool. And that's it for now. So, if you haven't already done this, go ahead and get into your dashboard and respond to your leads. All right, thanks, guys.